I don't even know what they are. Like, of course I know this buldak. What do you call it in English? Nuclear spicy, or there is a name in English. What is the English name of buldak noodle? Fire chicken noodles. Fire chicken noodles, yes. This we got the original rosé. Rosé? What rosé? I think it's inspired by rosé cream pasta. And we got 4 different kinds cheese. 4 cheese. Buldak carbonara. Carbonara. Buldak tteokbokki. This one is tteokbokki. Not with the traditional, but with the carbonara sauce. I never liked this trend, to be honest with you. But why not? It was around 9 USD or 10 USD altogether. Oof. Oh, what? Why? Eh? Ah. Four. Still spicy. 7. Oh, yeah. Oh shit. Plum tea kind of helps me. Carbonara. Even the noodle is it's a bit different. It's more wide and flat. Maybe they wanted to create like texture of linguine or something. Going to the bathroom 5 times a day today. Wow. Six. Rosé. I think this is my least favorite. 3. Okay, the last one. Rosé, tteokbokki, with a special fork. This product is made in a factory that they produce mackerel, crab, shrimp, tomato, walnut, squid, clam, and pine nuts. What does that mean? What does that even mean? Anyway. I think I found my favorite. This is good. Tteokbokki 6.5. Sesame seed. This is completely different dish now. What? I realized I can never be a mukbang YouTuber. Bye.